Here is a sequence of patterns made from grey square tiles. On the grid above right, draw pattern number 5. Okay, so again, you must use a ruler and a pencil with this because if you do it in pen and you go wrong, you haven't got a second chance. So please use a pencil and a ruler. Okay, so I'm going to get my version of a ruler, which is my straight line tool. And just going to do it in blue just so you can see it. Okay, so on this pattern, I can see that this square goes 1 across in pattern number 1, it goes 2 across in pattern number 2, it goes 3 across in pattern number 3, 4 across in pattern number 4. So I'm guessing, I'm not guessing, I know, it's going to go 5 across in pattern 5. Give yourself plenty of room. So a little bit in from the edge and the top, I'm going to go 5 across, okay? The pattern is pretty consistent there. It's going up 1 each time in a horizontal direction. Let's have a look at vertical. So it's going down 1 in pattern 1, down 2 in pattern 2, down 3 in pattern 3, and so on. You're getting the idea, I'm sure. So it's going to go down 5 in pattern 5, like so. So we've got the outline, and then I can see it just goes, it's basically just 1 square down and across, and so on each pattern. The thickness is the same. So it's just going to go down 1 here, in 1 here, and then I'm just going to match it up to make sure that my pattern is 1 square thick all the way around. And you can shade it in if you have time, but it's not essential. Okay, complete the table. So now we've got a table to fill in, and that corresponds, okay? It corresponds with the diagrams that you've just done. So there is 1 square, as you can see here, in pattern 1. There you go, there's your 1 square. There are 3 here, 1, 2, 3, which is why they've got the number 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, which is why you've got the number 5 here. Now you can, of course, count the ones that you've just done in number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And pop the number in there. But you might be thinking, well, I haven't got a diagram to count from for the next one. You don't, but you can use a different technique. So you can look at the pattern that you have just done and you can say, well, what's it going up in? It's going up in 2. So you're adding 2 each time. So I'm adding 2 each time. So therefore, I'm going to add 2 onto my 9. So if I add 2 onto my 9, I get 11. So even without the diagram for number 6, I know it's just going to be 2 squares more, so 11.